10 minutes. Now you don't walk on from 11 o'clock, July 29, 2025, the Tuesday edition of Morning Runs. And time don't reach for us to kickstart with the Across the Bridge, where we cross the bridge with Lady JJ and the first voice of Naija FM. Yes, the both of them, the workshop crew. God help me. All right. So this very first issue on ground, Lady J. You get one bride in Delta State where they arrest because she fake her own kidnapping so that she go feel repay one loan where she take from her brother.
I don't understand. She
fake her own kidnap.
Okay, how then take no say she fake her?
We are coming there. So the lady, GP 29-year-old woman, her name na Merit Ele. So she been borrowed 3.6 million naira to fund a bridal shower and hotel expenses during our wedding for March this year. So it's still new. So she not going to be able to pay back the money where she borrowed from her brother.
Her blood brother?
Yeah, maybe she think the people go give money. You know, so yeah, there are some people like that.
Yes,
maybe they go collect basic from people. Yes. They say, after my wedding, I will see your money. People go give me money, but you go shock. Some people now your eyes, they won't call shop. One night they don't give you.
They don't give you. I always say, see, you don't need to break your back, breck your neck
because you want to do
wedding.
Do it. Never finish, ladies. Sorry.
Hey,
lady and gentlemen. I just call them ladies. Lady and gentlemen. So because you know can't be able to pay the money, she can't go meet somebody. They can't conspire together. Okay. You know, say make she could stage her abduction. So by the time they go tell her family members, say they don't kidnap her, in that 3.6 million naira go come out from her. So the Delta State Police Command can confirm, say true. I say this particular incident happened. The spokesperson SP Bright Edafe, according to him on July 21, he talks say they may file a report about a supposedly kidnap of a woman where they in the Bonzak area of Asaba. So they can't start to do their work now as the policemen where they be. They can't respond swiftly. And so the Commissioner of Police, CP Olufemi Abaniwanda, can order say Abaniwanda say make he order. He can order the Special Anti-Kidnapping and Cybercrime Squad, where they led by CSP Godwin Osadolo. So make them swing into action. Make them ensure say they rescue the alleged victim safely and sound. Through coordinated intelligence gathering and operation, two suspects, Alfred Elisha and Ugo Chukwu Adim, they say they come back them on July 22 in different parts of Asaba. So during the interrogation, Elisha can't confess, say, this person where they kidnap, so say na stage kidnapping, we say na in collaboration with her. So now one of the guys where they arrest, now in can they confess. So in confession can lead to the arrest of the lady herself, where admit say true say she no get choice, say na she fake her kidnap, say because she need to pay her brother the money back. So now she can't talk, so make them just fake the kidnapping so that the family go be the one to pay the ransom. So she can't reveal, say the fake ransom, say actually they don't see 3 million already from her family. Or out of which she don't give 500k to the people who partner with her, and she don't keep the remaining 2.5 million naira. Say at least she go soon pay her finish. So the police can't confirm, say all individuals who they involved in the act, they don't arrest them, and investigation they ongoing whether they will charge, they will do further investigation on top of the matter and file a charge against her. So yes, that's the first issue.
This kind thing, it gets to be now. She borrow money. I mean, she borrow money, or she use money because of wedding. Go borrow that kind plenty money for bridal shower.
Just bridal shower.
Bridal shower. So would they pressure her?
Now she they pressure herself now.
Not just she. Her peer group, her peer. You need to do them.
Yeah,
you need to do them more. You need to do them more.
Yeah.
See, do what you fit do. I remember a bridal shower where I go for.
Now friends, they always organize
for her parents' house. They just say all of us will go come. Nobody go
surprise.
As soon as she enter, everybody just shout out surprise. We do them for her parents' house. No need to go book hotel. No need to go book anywhere. Now inside there, waiting we chop. Now waiting there and cook for inside the house.
Okay.
That my point. Now say you don't need to break your neck or break your head
Bank, or break the bank.
break the bank. Say you won't do bridal shower. Sometimes all the people they put you under pressure, they not go contribute one shishi. Say take. But they go leave you, make you day under pressure unnecessarily. But you see waiting this pressure don't do now.
You know what I want to talk with you?
I won't believe say she either tell her brother say she want use and do business
because
so
no reasonable person go borrow you that kind of money
3.6
go do
but it go surprise you to know say some people they go any length just to put up a show just to show themselves for just one day.
Now wait till they talk now. So if it be, you understand,
if it be to show up,
just to show
I don't talk am before say when my wedding come. Now the day of my wedding now I go see pre-wedding pictures. Now there I go post them. But wedding don't they go on already?
They say Ayuba abandon his sponge and bucket when you want to use bath. You can't say make you go settle this is a husband and wife. Say make it go intervene, but before they feel say Jacob Robinson, they say now so Ayuba slum. Ayuba, they said they believe say he dey hale and hearty before the incident. So as he slump, they say make them sharply rush and go hospital. But na DOA, the matter be dead on arrival. The chief of the community, as he learn about this incident, come alert some vigilante and order the arrest of the couple. Where they can't hand over to security operatives for inside Gawu. Ibrahim, one of the vigilante, confirmed this incident. He said we learned that it was just a small misunderstanding that led to fight between the deceased neighbor and his wife. He can't add say, well, as a matter be this Oga, since he don't get along with Nikwe, better that the peacemaker they will see the Lord. He has gone to see the Lord, and they don't carry
the couple
in dead body. Go Naija State where they talk say they go do the burial. But police talk say they go start to they do investigate.
Yeah, but they won't arrest the couple.
So the couple now they hit them in the process of the fight.
They not state here. They don't say the man when they try to settle them.
No, but you know, say sometimes if this kind of thing, they feel no arrest the couple.
They say they don't carry them go police station. You say they no fit. They fit no. They don't arrest them. They don't carry them go.
See, they go explain themselves now how it take happen.
How it take happen? Why it take waiting eat time? Waiting
yes.
Because they think that maybe na shock kill the man.
Shock from waiting.
Say then the fight.
You know, yeah, when I talk, so they say no be new thing.
No be new thing now.
Then the fight. Maybe in guy IBP.
Possible.
IBP.
Yeah.
As a
possible.
Result. Yeah, but they say he was ill and hearty.
No, ill and hearty. Being no me say no get
no, so people know they show for face.
No, they show for face.
No, they show for face. If something happened to me on Sunday, I know if you come church on Sunday, I wake up like this. Say make I start to prepare for church. My eye on the turn, as in bad turning. I got to lie down again. By the time I do 1 or 2 research, you get one medical name then give them. Then I drop in blood pressure. When you just they wake up. Say some people say you go see they just wake up, get up from bed, just collapse.
Yeah.
So I stay indoors. In fact, even when I go use a restroom, my eyes see they turn. So take breakfast. I got to take 2 bottles of soda on Sunday for strength. So everybody where they hear this, check yourself. Check your blood pressure. Check yourself.
You know, say some disease or sicknesses they they show for face.
No, they show for face
until you go for a test.
So
and there's not this thing. Please, if you work with company and your company get HMO, they use your HMO. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why? I say the HMO when me they use my matter go don't tire them because any small thing I don't go use the HMO
before.
In fact, you get one time I don't know say na their oga pata number I call because the hospital no attend to me on time. My son say Abagode, please send me the number of these people. I don't know say na their oga pata na number the baba go give me. So when I can't call the number I'm going to say sorry. The person say please how did you get this number? I say that's not what I'm saying now. I say you people did not they are delaying me in the hospital. I need to do this, I need to do that. The man say okay, waiting be my name, waiting be my number. You know they get one number code in here. I call everything for the man. The man say okay, don't worry, they will call you. Only for the nurse to come meet me say, auntie, why did you call the MD?
Voila.
I said na MD I call. I said he just collect number from person because they delay me. The auntie can say I never reach now. So you call the oga pata. I say hey. I say it means I get level now. So at the end of the day, Charlotte, make we don't take our health.
Take your health seriously.
You know, like
no, they talk say this is not the kill African man. A lot of African people, even Nigerians, self now for the most. Now then they record the most unnecessary deaths for something where they focus don't fit
exactly
take care of.
exactly.
So
I remember one man where they always go do Thanksgiving for church. I don't know if you see the video of that man for church. He go do Thanksgiving. The man slumped in the church. Yes, and they say the man as he put microphone, you don't they give them sign, but people know quickly that person will get money.
Now get money,
for hand. The man slumped, the man died.
Can you imagine?
Immediately. And the annoying part for this part of the world, we don't know how to do CPR. The moment person die like this, hey, Ariwo. Instead of them to quickly, if we know that why they talk to this CPR, they need to introduce them to
and
all
we need to learn something.
Sector.
When you see say person something like that, but that not be the time to shout. I remember one place where they stay. This one of the ladies in the house come they shout say her chest to her chest to her chest to. So her chest the pain am. Now I can't hold am. Come they ask am a few questions. I come they rub her back. Her chest. I said yeah, I'm gonna go. That time we don't get all these cars we get now yellow. I say anybody I bet come out go road now. So another person will be a close friend. She can't stand like this one they cry. I say no be time for cry be this so. No be time for cry. Na time for action.
Yeah.
Help carry am when the taxi come. That's so we can't help am. Other people follow am go hospital. See, immediate
action. It prevents so many things. It prevents so many things.
So, from Nigerians, how to thief from that person immediately. They want steal your phone, steal your wallet. Men want share then is happening. We don't they go.
I bet before we go, I just want to do this. I promise I go do them today.
And now, same thing you promised last week too.
When you win something.
Why win something?
Now
this one no be. I talk last week now. Last week I do video, but I know they do video now.
Okay.
I want to send out this now tribute to the memory of Madam Vera.
Oh. Okay.
Yes. So today I want to take moment to honor a woman who stand as pillar of strength, wisdom and warmth for my life. Madam Vera now more than just a colleague or mentor. She be guiding light, somebody we pour deeply into those with they around her. Her voice carry power, and her presence command respect. She teach many of us not only with her words, but with the way she carry herself with poise, excellence, and a deep sense of commitment. I remember moments of laughter, lessons where we share in between meetings, the gentle encouragement during tough seasons, and how her words don't bring comfort so many times when they needed. I cherish those memories. They will always remain golden. Even though her chapter for this side don't close, the seeds where she don't plant will continue to grow. In every life where she touch, in every heart where she inspire. Madam Vera, your legacy lives on. Thank you for everything. Continue to rest in peace. It is well.
All
right, now so we go head down today on Top Naija FM for morning runs. Bit Becca Please and like ballistic like Beshia. Now don't hear the voice of Lady JJ, and then she could start workshop. I mean,
is that hunger?
No, hunger. Okay.
The tribute touch you.
Somehow, see. If you don't lost person before, there's always the. That time I lost my mama. Kai, that's on deal. I got to go. Say, me at the dance session, I just a message. Where are you? She's gone. We'll come back tomorrow, on Top Naija from 2%. Make sure you live life like in the last time, and
maybe your last day.
Last day, exactly. Put a smile on someone's face, and then no carry life for head. Mawala ye moya udabo.